مؤسسه نصرت، آموزش سریع مکالمه انگلیسی. روز 90، درس 90.
Listen to this conversation.
Well, Nancy, is everything ready for our meeting?
Yes, it is. Oh, a woman called about half an hour ago. She said her name is Anna, and she'd like you to call her back.
That's my sister. Her daughter is coming to visit next month.
Oh, really?
Yes, she just graduated from college, and she'd like to spend a few weeks in New York.
Listen again.
Well, Nancy, is everything ready for our meeting?
Yes, it is. Oh, a woman called about half an hour ago. She said her name is Anna, and she'd like you to call her back.
That's my sister. Her daughter is coming to visit next month.
Oh, really?
Yes, she just graduated from college, and she'd like to spend a few weeks in New York.
You're speaking with a colleague.
بپرسین امروز چندمه؟ عملاً تاریخ امروز چیه؟
What's today's date?
Now ask,
همه چی آماده است؟
Is everything ready?
همه چی واسه کنفرانس حاضره؟
Is everything ready for the conference?
your colleague answers,
فکر کنم آره.
I think so.
معذرت میخوام چی گفتی؟
I'm sorry. What did you say?
she says,
گفتم
I said,
گفتم که فکر میکنم همه چی آماده است.
I said that I think everything is ready. I said I think that everything's ready.
اتاقا رو رزرو کردم.
I reserved the rooms
و یادداشتامو دارم.
and I have my notes. And I have my notes.
دوشنبه صبح همه چی آماده است.
Monday morning, everything will be ready.
try to ask,
مشتری جدیدمونم اونجاست.
Will our new client be there?
she answers,
لیندا جانسن؟ نه متاسفانه.
Linda Johnson? No, unfortunately.
هفته آینده تکساسه.
She'll be in Texas next week.
say,
چه بد شد یا چه بد یا مایه تأسفه.
That's too bad.
try to ask,
بایستی تاریخ رو عوض کنیم؟
Should we change the date? Should we change the date of the conference?
she says,
حالا واسه عوض کردنش خیلی دیره.
It's too late to change it now.
try to say,
پس شاید بتونیم کنفرانس تلفنی داشته باشیم.
Then maybe we can have a conference call.
She says,
ببخشید چی گفتی؟
I'm sorry, what did you say?
tell her,
گفتم که شاید بتونیم کنفرانس تلفنی داشته باشیم.
I said that maybe we can have a conference call.
همکارتون متوجه نگرانیتون میشه.
listen,
Good luck.
ask what that means.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
Ask,
یعنی چی؟ یا چه معنی میده؟
good luck.
What does good luck mean? What does good luck mean?
Good luck means
موفق باشی.
How does she say,
موفق باشی.
good luck. Luck. Good luck.
از نظر لغوی یعنی شانس خوب. بگید متشکرم.
Thank you.
now you and a friend are going to have dinner together. She can't find her car keys. She asks,
کلیدای ماشینمو دیدی؟
Have you seen my car keys? Car keys.
ask,
چی گفتی؟
What did you say?
do you remember how to say,
سوال پرسیدن.
Ask a question. To ask a question. Ask.
now try to say,
ازت یه سوال کردم.
I asked you a question. Asked. I asked. I asked you. I asked you a question.
پرسیدم.
I asked.
که آیا کلیدای ماشینمو دیدی؟ if.
If you have seen my car keys.
پرسیدم که آیا کلیدای ماشینمو دیدی؟
I asked if you've seen my car keys.
پیداشون میکنین. چی میگین؟
Here they are. Here are your keys.
همه چی رو داری؟
Do you have everything?
ATM نزدیکی ها هست؟
Is there an ATM nearby?
she says,
آره یه دونه درست در نبشه.
Yes, there's one just around the corner.
امروز چندمه؟
What's today's date?
اوه نه کارت جدید ATM هم خونه است.
Oh no, my new ATM card is at home.
گفتم کارت جدید ATM هم خونه است.
I said, my new ATM card is at home.
دلم میخواد یه سوال ازت بپرسم.
I'd like to ask you a question.
دلم میخواد یه چیزی ازت بپرسم.
I'd like to ask you something.
آیا خیلی گرونه؟
Is it very expensive?
تحصیل کردن در آمریکا؟
To study in the United States? Is it very expensive to study in the United States?
جواب مثبت.
Yes, it is.
واسه چی؟
Why?
Say,
چون دختر خواهرم دلش میخواد اینجا درس بخونه.
Because my niece would like to study here.
دلش میخواد یه سال بگذرونه.
She'd like to spend a year
در آمریکا.
in the United States.
now you have to leave. Your friend has an important meeting the next day.
میخواد بدونید موفق باشید به انگلیسی چی میشه. بپرسین به انگلیسی چطوری میگید موفق باشید؟
How do you say in English?
موفق باشید.
How do you say in English?
موفق باشید.
She answers,
میگید
good luck.
You say, good luck. You say, good luck.
Say,
درسته. موفق باشید.
That's right. Good luck.
دوستتون خونه خریده در یه مجموعه ساختمانی. معادل به فارسیشو نداریم. مثلا خونه آپارتمانی. بگیم خونه سازمانی.
listen and repeat.
Condominium. Min Condominium. Condominium.
Say,
خونه سازمانی.
Condominium. Condo.
condominium,
به صورت خلاصه میشه
condo.
با فرم خلاصه بگید از خونه سازمانیت خوشم میاد.
I like your condo.
تشکر کنین.
Thank you. Thanks.
این میشه آشپزخونه.
Listen and repeat.
Kitchen. Kitchen. Kitchen.
Say,
آشپزخونه.
kitchen.
she says,
آشپزخونه نسبتاً کوچیکه.
The kitchen's pretty small.
ولی پشتش یه حیاط خوبیه.
But there's a nice yard in the back. A nice yard.
tell her again,
خیلی از خونه سازمانیت خوشم میاد.
I like your condo very much.
how does she ask if you would like something to drink?
Would you like something to drink?
Ask her what she said.
What did you say? I'm sorry, what did you say?
She says,
پرسیدم.
I asked.
پرسیدم که آیا دلت میخواد یه چیزی بنوشی؟
I asked if you'd like something to drink.
تو آشپزخونه قهوه هست.
There's coffee in the kitchen. In the kitchen. There's some coffee in the kitchen.
now she asks,
گشنته؟
Are you hungry?
تشنمه.
listen and repeat.
I'm thirsty. 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 I'm thirsty.
گشنه نیستم.
I'm not hungry,
ولی تشنمه.
but I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty.
Your friend says,
پس بریم آشپزخونه.
Then let's go to the kitchen.
میتونیم کمی قهوه صرف کنیم.
We can have some coffee.
try to say,
یا اگه تشنه‌ای
Or if you're thirsty. If you're thirsty.
she asks,
آیا ترجیح میدی یه کوکا بخوری؟ بگید
a Coke.
Would you rather have a Coke? Would you rather have a Coke?
Say,
مرسی یه کوکا میل دارم.
Thanks, I'd like a Coke.
she asks,
دلت میخواد بیرون بشینی؟
Would you like to sit outside?
say,
نه خیلی سرده واسه بیرون نشستن.
No, it's too cold to sit outside.
try to say,
بمونیم اینجا تو آشپزخونه.
Let's stay here in the kitchen.
She says,
اوکی کوکاتو میارم.
Okay, I'll get your Coke.
بعد خوردن بگین مرسی خیلی تشنم بود.
Thanks. I was very thirsty.
a few minutes later, she says,
دلم میخواد یه چیزی ازت بپرسم.
I'd like to ask you something.
آیا خیلی سخته؟
Is it very difficult
کار پیدا کردن تو مکزیک؟
to find a job in Mexico? Is it very difficult to find a job in Mexico?
say,
سوال خوبیه.
That's a good question.
الان مشکله.
Now it's difficult. Right now it's difficult.
چرا؟
Why? Why do you ask?
she says,
دختر خواهرم دلش میخواد تابستون رو اونجا بگذرونه.
My niece would like to spend the summer there.
اسپانیولی نسبتا خوب صحبت میکنه.
She speaks Spanish pretty well.
و مایل تابستون رو تو مکزیک بگذرونه.
And she'd like to spend the summer in Mexico.
خب اگه نتونه کار پیدا کنه؟
Well, if she can't find a job,
در اون صورت شاید بتونه بمونه. پس شاید.
then maybe she can stay.
پیش من و خانومم.
listen and repeat.
With my wife and me.
Say,
میتونه پهلوی من و خانومم بمونه.
She can stay with my wife and me.
ما جدیداً یه خونه سازمانی نو خریدیم.
We just bought a new condo.
میتونه پیش ما بمونه.
She can stay with us.
پیش من و خانومم.
With my wife and me.
That's very nice of you.
that means,
خیلی لطف دارید. حالا باید برید یه جلسه مهم. میگه موفق باشید.
Good luck.
now suppose that your name is Daniel. You arrive at your friend Mary's place. Answer when she speaks to you. Answer her.
Hi, Daniel. Come in.
Hi, Mary.
How are you?
Fine, thanks. Fine, thanks. And you?
Not bad. Would you like something to drink? A Coke? A beer?
Say that you're really thirsty.
I'm really thirsty.
Say that you'd like a beer if she has one.
I'd like a beer if you have one.
Of course. It's hot today. I'll have a beer too.
You go into the kitchen together. She gets you both a beer. Listen,
Let's sit here in the kitchen, if you don't mind.
you know her brother too. Ask her how he is.
How's your brother?
Ask what he's doing now.
What's he doing now?
He's an engineer, and he lives in San Francisco with his girlfriend. He really likes California. And your family?
Say that your sister is a doctor.
My sister is a doctor. My sister's a doctor.
Say that she lives in New York.
She lives in New York.
Say that she has 2 children, a boy and a girl.
She has 2 children, a boy and a girl.
Now tell your friend that you'd like to ask her something.
I'd like to ask you something.
Of course. What is it?
Ask if it is very difficult to find an apartment in New York.
Is it very difficult to find an apartment in New York?
It can be difficult. Why?
Say that your nephew is studying English.
My nephew is studying English.
Say that he'd like to spend the summer here.
He'd like to spend the summer here.
Say that it's too expensive to stay in a hotel.
It's too expensive to stay in a hotel.
You know, this summer I'd like to go to Mexico. Maybe your nephew can use my condo, and I can stay at his place.
Say that that's a good idea.
That's a good idea.
Now tell your friend that you're sorry, but you have to leave now.
I'm sorry, but I have to leave now.
Say that you have an important meeting tonight.
I have an important meeting tonight.
Say that you're not ready yet.
I'm not ready yet. I have an important meeting tonight, and I'm not ready yet.
Listen to what she says when you leave. Listen.
Goodbye and good luck.
منم به شما عرض میکنم goodbye and good luck.
پایان درس 90